Struggling with weak solder joints or tools that just don't keep up? Don't worry. Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best soldering stations on Amazon that can make your projects cleaner, faster, and more reliable. From precision to durability, I'll break down what makes each station stand out. And of course, I'll share the pros and cons so you can pick the right one with confidence. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick. YHUA Soldering Iron Hot Air Rework Station. The YHUA 862BD Plus is a versatile 2-in-1 soldering and hot air rework station that's great for both hobbyists and professionals. The soldering iron heats quickly and maintains a stable temperature, while the hot air gun is excellent for desoldering and working on SMD components. I like that it's ESD safe, which helps protect sensitive electronics, and the ability to switch between degree F and degree C is convenient. It also comes with multiple nozzles and tips, making it adaptable for different projects. The only downside is that it can feel a bit bulky if you have limited bench space. Overall, it's a reliable, feature-rich station that offers excellent value. Number 2. My second best pick, WEP Hot Air Soldering Iron Station. The WEP 8786D ISE is a solid 2-in-1 soldering and hot air rework station that comes as a complete kit. The soldering iron heats up quickly, and the hot air gun is adjustable, making it useful for desoldering and SMD rework. I like that it includes plenty of accessories: solder wire, 5 tips, 3 nozzles, tweezers, and a desoldering pump, so you're ready to go right out of the box. The temperature control is accurate and stable, which helps achieve clean results. The only downside is that the build feels a bit basic compared to higher-end models. Still, for the price, it's a great starter or backup station. Number 3. My third best pick, Weller Digital Soldering Station. The Weller Digital Soldering Station with its 70W precision iron is a dependable tool for both hobbyists and professionals. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is key for clean, reliable solder joints. The digital display makes adjustments straightforward, and the ergonomic iron feels comfortable even during long sessions. I also appreciate its solid build quality. It feels durable and built to last. The station provides enough power for a variety of tasks, from small electronics to more demanding projects. The only drawback is that it's priced higher than basic stations. Still, the performance and reliability make it worth the investment. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Hot Air Rework Station. The 852MX C210 Hot Air Rework Station is a powerful and efficient tool for electronics repair. With 1000 W of power, it heats up quickly and provides consistent airflow, making SMD soldering and desoldering much easier. The digital display and precise temperature control are very helpful for accuracy, and the ultra-quiet design is a nice bonus if you're working for long hours. I also appreciate the built-in overheat protection, which adds safety and peace of mind. The overall build feels solid and reliable. The only drawback is that it's larger than some compact stations, so it takes more bench space. Still, it's an excellent choice for serious repair work. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, FNIRSI Precision Digital Soldering Station Kit. The FNIRSI DWS 200 is an impressive 200W digital soldering station designed for precision and versatility. It heats up extremely fast and delivers stable temperatures, which is crucial for consistent solder joints. I really like the full-color display with temp value and curve mode, making it easy to monitor performance in real time. The included 3F210 and 6F245 tips give you a wide range of options, and the built-in helping hands are a practical bonus for holding components steady. The ability to store 3 temperature presets saves time during projects. The only downside is that it's bulkier than basic stations. Overall, it's a powerful and feature-rich soldering kit. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite soldering stations? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.